Day 10, making a cover art for a rapper. Let's get straight into it. Alright, so, you know, I kind of want to do like autumn or some shit like that. Okay, OSAMASON. We'll do OSAMASON. So I kind of want to make something that he would actually kind of like use. So yeah, that's going to be the goal for this. I don't know if we should go for like any specific type of cover art. Maybe we could go in the style of maybe Jump Out. I really like that's one of my favorite ones. If I'm being honest, like that's one of my favorite ones. But yeah, we're just gonna put that image right there, you know, remove the background, do all that. I have a couple of images from his the Samsung Pics fan page. These pics right here are shot by, I'll put that up here, the person who shot them. I'll put all the photographers I use in this, like whenever I place the image, and I'll put the thing in there, right? But yeah, we're just gonna see, let me see. I like this one. Oh, okay, I like this one. I like this one, and I like this one. So Armada visuals and shot by Kotal. Shout out to y'all motherfuckers. But yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and work with these, see what the hell we can come up with. I like this one here. We can do like, I don't want to do a gun. I overdo the gun shit, so I don't want to do a gun. I want to do like some shit he would actually put into a cover. Like, what would he put in it? The hell would he put in a cover? I guess we gotta see like his covers, right? We gotta bring this shit back in. Oh, and that's pretty like decent. But yeah, I don't know what the hell to put in his hand. I think we could replace the mic with, let me just look at Jump Out. We'll get some inspo from Jump Out. The nuke shit. Let me see. Psychotic. Like psychotic's really basic. Well, it's not basic, but it's like oh yeah, we'll just go with this shit right here. This is insane. Shout out to the motherfuckers who made this. I'm pretty sure it's Full Metal Gallery, but probably a couple others on that shit. But yeah, we're just gonna not copy it or like do anything like that. I want to kind of make like an original concept. I feel like this might be the only picture where like we could actually turn it into a cover that looks somewhat official, right? So I want to go with the same Jump Out aesthetic, so the new metal kind of look. If you guys don't know what that shit is, or power metal, I think, yeah, so some shit like this. Yeah, I feel like, or it might be new metal actually. Nah, power metal. So fuck cover art. So like these, like really tough shit. Like I fuck with these a lot. I feel like we could like do some shit with these and go crazy, right? Now I feel like instead of working with the image first, I feel like we should work with the background first. So, you know, just reverse the whole process. For some of you guys, you might do the background first, then, you know, go with the image. I usually do the image first. So we're gonna switch it up, and we're gonna try and find like an inspiration for kind of background. And yeah, all right, so some shit like this would be fucking insane. I'm not gonna lie, like if we can come out with something like this, I would be fucking happy. So we're just gonna go ahead recreate this shit. And yeah, so it looks like some sort of snow mountain with a bridge in there. You know, this is gonna be really fucking sick, bro. I'm telling you guys right now, this is gonna be fucking insane. Yo, imagine being up here, bro. I'd shit myself up here. What the fuck? Alright, so I got a couple of images here, and we're just gonna place them around, try and, you know, get a nice little, you know, background or whatever. So we're gonna put that image right there. We're just gonna try and like, I don't even know what the hell we're gonna do, bro. So we'll have like right here, we'll have this right here, maybe, right? Who the fuck is this? Or who the fuck is that? Hey, get the fuck down. We'll keep him up there though. You know, he's kind of chill. He's kind of chill. We'll get this. Ooh, hold on. That's tough. That's fucking tough. So if we just remove this and then it creates this. Oh wait, that would be so fucking fire. Let me remove this background. Oh, I'm best. Hey, this will be so fire. Okay, we'll just get the selection tool, like all this, like that. Create a layer mask. Control Shift I to inverse the selection, and then we'll make a layer mask. Now what I want to do is I want to like into this a little bit, right? Obviously we'll blend it all in. Y'all already know the motherfucking drill. But yeah, we'll just keep going keep going with it, keep going with it, keep going with it. So what could we do with this? I mean, we could put this. I don't know. Do we like this? Is this cool? I don't know. I don't know. Not too sure. I'm not too sure. Do I like this? Do I not? Maybe if we select all this, like this dude over here, we give him a good time. Pause. We'll give him a new little home. Get him out here. We'll put him somewhere else, right? So we'll put him like right here. Put that shit to like black on white. Then it removes all the fucking power. Get out. Well, I think that's pretty cool though. If we bring this up, will we get rid of like a lot of the like blend it a little bit? Unlike that. We can get rid of here. We don't need a tree. We don't need your fucking tree. That there. Get rid of this. Boom. Right. Some shit like that. Pretty decent. Pretty fucking decent. And then we can bring this back in. Oh, I don't want it to be like that. So I don't want this sharp ass fucking whatever the fuck you call it. So we'll get rid of that. Anyways, fuck it. We're gonna put a sky up here anyway, so it doesn't really matter too much. I want to put this dark kind of sky up. We get a bit. Man, get rid of that shit. We're not even using it. But yeah, well, hey, get rid of all this. Smoothing this shit out. Boom, like that, right? Just nice, smooth, nice, chill. Bring it up. And kind of just like mess around with this shit. Would be too nutty. Pause. I don't know why I keep saying gay shit. But it is what it is. Alright, so we're just gonna have it like this. And then we can change like the whole kind of like color scheme here towards the purple. So we'll just grab a color and vibrance. We'll just shift it towards like the darkish blue, the purple. Shift it like that. I want to put a gradient map on there. We'll put the overlay. Bring the fill down. And we'll probably just use AI to remove this shit. So we'll create a lasso tool. Generative fill. And then where the fuck is right there? And we're just gonna get rid of them. Alright. Now, I've been getting cooked in my comments. And it's kind of pissing me off because I thought everyone used generative AI. Do people not use this shit? Like, what the fuck? But yeah, apparently people don't like when I used it. Like, the fuck are you talking about? But you know what? We're gonna keep it going. We're gonna keep that shit going, bro. I don't give a fuck if you like it or not. But yeah, we'll just put a Samsung in here. Now, I think we kind of went a bit too far off. Like, I'm not worried of what the fuck we're gonna do. Ew! Unless we, like, made him, like, a big, like, monster behind everything. I really don't know, bro. Put this guy. I mean, that's kind of cool, though. I just don't know if it would be official. I just don't know if that would be official. Like, if I sent this back to OSAMASON's team, would they be like, yo, that's tough. Now, I'm gonna piss you guys off even more. If you're one of the people who hate AI, I'm gonna piss you off even more because we're about to use harmonize. These are pretty decent. I'm gonna bring these into. I'm gonna bring this into my ultimate adjustment pack. Y'all know the motherfucking drill. We're gonna find some fire ass. So I like this one. I just want to bring the vibrance up, maybe, or I just gotta like brighten his ass up. So we'll add like a glow on top of him. Boom, put the overlay. Just like that. We're definitely gonna have to add like some other shit. Like his hand's kind of fucked up. I mean, we could amputate his arm because, you know, I don't know. It just got lost in the shadows. No, bro. I don't know what happened. Looking kind of rough. I know he did break his leg. So, you know, respect, right? And then we delete. I mean, it's not bad. Actually, it's not even bad, bro. It's not even bad. Alright, so his hand, we could keep the fucking thing there, but I do like these colors. I do want to like harmonize it more, I guess. So we're just gonna create a solid color and we'll make it that blue color. So this bluish color, we'll put the solid color, and then we will put it to probably like screen or linear dodge, some shit like that. And then we'll fill it black, the layer mask. We'll go back in, or we'll go up to opacity, bring that shit down to like 20 and the float to like 20, 15, 20, shit like that. And then we'll just go in and create some like glow highlights, I guess, with the white brush. So it just kind of give it that look. So really just on the like highlighted areas, like kind of like why do I don't know if there's a specific way. Put me on, motherfucker. Put me on. I'm always, you know, down to learn new shit. We're gonna bring the fill down. We don't even. Let's bring this under everything. Have it like that. Now I want to put like a blur on them. We're gonna rasterize them or put them into a smart object. We're gonna put a blur gallery, iris blur, and we're just gonna blur it up here. There's some sort of blur. We'll probably blur the front like right here. Probably blur this, just to give it more depth, if that makes sense. Like that. We'll even stretch it out, pause. Give some depth. Now, what could we add to this shit? We could add like skulls. Let me see. Maybe the glass shards. Ooh, I could put that shit to blur. Kind of want to put like glows, like right here in like this area, like a white glow, and right here. And even there, put that shit to linear dodge. Bring the fill down. Just have it like bust through like that. Put like some shines on the chain. We'll do like this little shit like that. I'll like bring it out a little bit, and then we could drop some bombs here, bro. We could drop some bombs. Hey, we got Osama in this bitch. We got them, bro. We got them. Okay, better drop. We don't really gotta do too much to blend this shit in. Just kind of just remove a lot of the back like that. We could blur it. We probably will blur it. We could also put like some fire in here. I think that would probably do like this. Race like right here. You can still see the fire. We gotta bring this under the planes. Now the planes are fucking exposed. What we do this, and then we like erase the plane. Oh, now we get somewhere. One thing I don't like is, wait, you got more fucking planes in this bitch. Why is this though? The hell is that? Trees? Who's fucking tree? Oh, interesting. So we need a different like lightning sky. So maybe this one do us good. Put that shit there. We could even mess around with that maybe. Nah, definitely putting a fat blur on this shit. For sure putting a fat blur on this. Well, blur the shit out of that. We could drag this above Osama. Stun. Delete that. We could make it like linear dodge. Hopefully flip horizontal. This. Then maybe do like lighten. Grab a layer mask. Just do this shit like Loki coming together. Some shit like this would actually be crazy. Or this shit could be like drop like a fucking nuke. Drop this shit in. Yo, wait, that's tough. Hold on. Hold up. Why is this shit low-key tough though? Why is this shit look? We're gonna blur it though. Why is that shit look? What's wrong with the blend modes? Nah. Ooh, this is a fat ass bomb. Hold on. That's a fat ass bomb. Hey, now what if we put decal on it? Like, I don't know what kind of decal we could put on it, but hey, let's just get this shit. This random ass picture of Pinterest. Put decal on it. Let's stretch it out here. Kind of perfect because it's like the same shit, but it's just like for like customized builds on. We could, oh, hold on. That's actually tough right there. Bring the fill down a little bit. Have it like that. We could obviously change the color of this, like, or red. I mean, a red could work. Maybe green. I think red just stands out the most. Put a blur on that bitch. Gaussian blur. Have it just in the background like that. Boom. Right now, we're gonna merge all this shit together. We'll bring it in, just like this. Bring it in. All right. We'll crop it. We'll have it like that, and then we could put like a border around this. Like, we could put a barbed wire. Maybe see how that shit fucking looks. So we'll just like, actually no, I want like a full barbed wire. Fuck is that, right? All right, so we're just gonna like work with this shit right like that, and then we'll merge all this. Control U, we'll make this a little bit darker. 90 degrees horizontal. Boom. Right, shit look tough. Won't lie, that shit look tough. Right, but what for you? I feel like this might be fire. Get it back in. Have a really like hold shift and we just stretch it in, pause like that. I want to add a blur, add some more blur, add some more blur, blur. This time I want to do tilt shift. I want to like blur this middle point here. Like, I feel like too sharp. That makes sense to the chat, bro. This dude pissed me off too though. We'll make another one. We'll just focus it on that side. We'll tilt it like that. Oh, it doesn't work like that. No, delete this, delete it. Fuck, I don't know how to get rid of this shit. Maybe we'll keep it like that. Then we'll, you know what, we'll just crop it. We'll crop him out anyways. Fuck that dude, bro. Whoever that is, fuck. But yeah, we'll just crop it pretty dope like that. Squish that shit in. What if we do like a border inside of, oh, what if we do a border inside of a fucking border of horizontally? Now it's kind of messed up. Well, I don't know if I'm a fan. Oh no, really do fuck with this though. Like, it like this is low-key fucking tough. I just need to blur this. I'm gonna just do a normal blur. Blur, Gaussian blur. Just blur as much, and we'll just erase here. Boom. This shit's fucking tough, bro. So Jump Out has this kind of like weird border look where it's like, bro, I want to recreate some shit like that. So I guess we gotta, you know, keep this. We gotta keep like the whole thing though, then kind of like merge it, not like not like crop it, but like keep the whole thing. Nah, this shit's fucking crazy. I fuck with. Only thing I don't fuck with is this lightning thing. So we're gonna get ripped out. That was probably pissing you guys off a lot. I didn't even see that. Get ripped out. Keep it motherfucking clean. Keep it motherfucking clean. And we'll do some like parental or not parental. We'll do what's this shit called? We'll do some camera filter. So I want to bring the texture up for sure. Clarity up. DAs probably. Right, saturation up. Oh, shift the blues. Bro, this is pretty tough. Alright, yeah, but if you guys did enjoy this motherfucking video, I really do like this cover. I think it's cool. I don't know if it would be official or anything like that. It's just kind of like a design. But if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you guys leave a like, subscribe. Yo, peace.